Well, you may not know, we never learned the winner of the big $560 million Powerball jackpot last month. Now we know why. The winner says she wants to stay anonymous. If you remember, the winning ticket was sold at a convenience store in New Hampshire. The woman who bought it is now suing that state's lottery commission. She says being forced to reveal her identity could be dangerous. And also, she says it's an invasion of privacy. Former prosecutor Bob Bianchi joins us on the story now from New York. Bob, good to see you. I understand you have experience in this, not winning the lottery,
yes,
but involved in a case with a winner. Is that true?
Yeah, a person who thought they were a winner, actually, when we started setting up the trust, but they actually made a mistake and got the numbers wrong. And also in civil suits that we've had, where we've had some huge verdicts where there's a lot of money coming in. There's a lot of, I agree with this woman, there's a lot of problems with respect to fraud, people coming after you, could be a victim of a crime, and they should be able to remain private citizens without people knowing about it.
So in a way, it's a blessing and a curse. You win tons of money. People think, oh, my problems will be solved. But then who knows who comes to contact you, maybe try to hunt you down, family members, people you don't know. Does she have a case here, though? I know that the laws vary state to state, and she signed the back of the lottery ticket, which I feel like in this state means that she has to say who she is.
Yeah, well, unfortunately, what she did was she signed it, but what we asked them to do is assign it and then leave a space up on top so that you could put it in the name of a trust before you submit it and argue that you should remain anonymous. She did not do that. So she may have to actually reveal, obviously she was revealed her identity, and she may have lost out because she had done that before establishing the trust.
And why do you think that the lottery does this, wants you to come forward to show other people that they can be winners too, kind of a live commercial?
Yeah, but they can do that without having to require people to render their identity. That's the problem with this. The law doesn't make any sense as to why a person should have to go through years and years and years of being harassed simply because their identity gets out there. The Lottery Commission certainly can say somebody won $559 million. Holy cow, this is unbelievable. You shouldn't have to surrender your well-being, your safety, and being harassed for the rest of your life, essentially. I've seen this. The vultures come out. Financial people, accountants, people committing fraud, scams upon you. I mean, it changes your life. My dad always used to use the expression as I was a kid, not for this particular purpose, but it fits many, a moment of ecstasy and a lifetime of pain. And that's what this can actually be if their anonymity is not protected.
Yeah, be careful what you wish for here. There have been shows around people that have won the lottery, and their life really seems to take a turn not in the good way. So do you think that she has a case here, though? Will a judge have to decide if, in fact, she does have to come forward? Because she hasn't gotten the money yet. She has to claim it, too.
Yeah, I think she's got a good argument to make, but unfortunately, because the law, the state law is what it is, you essentially contract when you purchase a ticket to follow the rules and regulations. But I think that she's got an argument to be made here that that state law should be struck down because it doesn't serve any legitimate state purpose. I know that sounds very lawyerly-like, but, you know, laws have to have a rational relationship as to why it is that it's put in place in the first place. So it will be interesting to your first question to ask, why does the Lottery Commission require this? And if they can't give a good explanation, she may have a shot.
Bob Bianchi, we appreciate it, and I like your dad's saying. Thank you so much. Good to see you.
My pleasure. Thank you.